Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a countries on OmeTV so you can chat with people from only one country. First, open a browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Now search for OmeTV and you will see the extension in the result. Click on it and add it to Chrome. After installing it, go to the OmeTV website and log in if you haven't already. Then click on the extension icon. If it's not enabled, make sure to turn it on. Now select the country you want and start chatting. The extension will automatically skip other countries, so you will only be connected with the country you selected. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.